Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by adding the font itself and importing it where Next.js initializes pages. First, confirm Next.js 13 or newer and Node 16 or later, then pick Google a local file or a variable font. Install any helper like Next/font if you prefer automatic optimization, or drop local. WAF 2 files into /public. Once done, import the font in app/layout. JS or pages/app. JS, so the font object or CSS is available globally, and you can reference it in the next steps. Next, you implement the font across components. If using Next/font, import the font and spread its class name on the HTML or body element so Next.js handles subset and preload. If you use local files, declare it font face in globals. CSS with font family and font display. Swap, then set root variables like font sans for easy reuse. Once done, assign font family to body and headings in your global stylesheet, and make sure responsive scale and weights are registered so typography stays consistent across breakpoints. To finish, run a production build and test in an incognito window so preloads and cache behavior are accurate. Confirm fonts are preloaded and that fallbacks are defined, system fonts used as a final safeguard versus invisible text. Make sure font weights and variable axes are applied correctly in CSS. If fonts don't appear, clear caches, verify /public paths or next. Config JS asset settings, and use the network tab to confirm the WAF 2 files or Next/font preload requests actually succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.